Hello Virgo, how are you? Welcome to my channel, Star Star Star. Okay, Virgo, so Virgo, this is your reading for the month of November 2020, and take what resonates and leave what doesn't, and energies might be vice versa, and time is fluid, okay? Also, this is a general reading, and this reading is meant for Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Okay, so Virgo, uh, what's going on with you? What is going on with you? I may say that this is a mid-month reading for the month of November. I know I'm a bit delayed. The reading has got delayed, and I do apologize for that. All right, let's get started. What's going on with Virgo? What is going on with Virgo? What is going on? Hierophant. Some sort of commitment is coming your way, Virgo. Okay, some sort of commitment. Uh, a very long-term commitment. I am also hearing that some of you are planning to go back to school. Okay, and you will be very passionate about whatever you're planning to take up. Like, if you're planning to go back to school, you will be extremely passionate about that. You will aim to like rank in the first five, or you want to secure the first rank during this course of study. Okay, that's what I see. You are extremely passionate because you want to, you're thinking from your future perspective. You want the best of the jobs that will be available once you complete this course. So you are trying to ensure that you're going to secure the best position during this course time. Okay, you are going to rank yourself very higher, at least within the first top five, and whatever you're planning to take, this new school, this new course, or okay, something that you're planning to study, is not everyone's cup of tea. Let me tell you that. Okay, it needs some special efforts. Okay, and it needs a lot of grinding. It needs a lot of hard work, and you are able to do that. You are able to achieve that. The admission itself for that score, for that school or for that course, will be a very tough thing for anyone to do, and you are achieving that. So you must pat your back. If this is not about school, if this is not about study, then you are doing something extraordinary in your professional life or in your career. You may be starting a new business, uh, and this is a very unique kind of a business. Okay, you are going to develop a monopoly in long term. Not many people will be able to do. So I see that this business has some unique idea. You're going to get it patented, or this business needs some unique skills, and only you are aware about it, and you are going to like expand this business by leaps and bounds. I see that you're going to cross the geographies. Okay, you're going to expand your business into different geographies in future, and you're going to have a monopoly when this comes to business. Okay, so you're going to earn a lot from this business. uh, if this is about a commitment, I see that there is a lot of financial abundance that I am getting from this card. Okay, so whatever, even if this is school, if you're taking admission in a school in future, you're going to get a lot of financial abundance because of the course that you are doing. Okay, if you are doing a business, you are like guaranteed financial abundance in future. If this is about love, it's a long-term commitment, then I see that you and your partner are doing some activities in conjunction. Okay, you people are doing something together which is going to bring a lot of abundance. Okay, so whatever is happening now, it is happening because there is some future financial abundance that is guaranteed for you. Okay, so this is something really fated to happen. Whatever you're doing, you're on the right path. Okay, So what more for Virgo? What more for Virgo? Magician, yes, you're manifesting. You're manifesting. You are manifesting what you want. Okay? I told you, right? You're working very hard. You're using whatever resources are there at your disposal, and you're working very hard. And I see that you're very much focused on yourself. Okay? I don't see that you are closed your heart. I don't see that you don't want to accept any new love. But yes, you are like, fine, I'm not going to chase love anymore. Okay? I'm going to chase myself. I'm going to chase my ambitions. Love will follow me automatically. That's your mantra. Okay? I'm not going to chase love. I'm going to chase myself, and love will follow automatically. Remember this. Oh my god, we have a third major arcana card, Wheel of Fortune. Things are changing pretty soon for you, Virgo. Things are changing pretty soon. You may be dealing with Aries, you may be dealing with a Taurus, you may be dealing with a Scorpio, Aquarius, Leo, okay? Yes, a big dollar is being assured for you. Okay, this wheel is like, I'm feeling like it's a dollar. Okay, it looks like a dollar, so a big dollar is assured, a big money is assured for you in future. But I also see that there are some people who will try to attach to you just because they want some sort of share from the abundance that you're gonna get in future. Be careful about these people. There are some people who will try to create a disturbance in whatever you want to achieve, but I see that you are very much protected. You and your abundance is very much protected, and you will understand when the time is right. You will understand who is your well-wisher, who is meant to stay in your life, and who is not. If someone is not meant to stay in your life, this person will go away. Okay, you will cut off this person. So like, you will always try and show the good side of yours, but whenever it is required, I'll not say you will be showing your bad side, but whenever it is required, you will take a very strict stand, and you won't mind cutting off anyone or any situation from your life to who is trying to affect your abundance in a negative manner. Eight of Pentacles, working hard. Okay, you're working towards your money, and your money is growing. Okay, money is growing. Let me tell you that. Look over here. Okay, this money is rising up and up. Your money is growing, and look at the way you are working. You are working so hard, you're working so focused. You have isolated yourself, and you are like, fine, I'm not saying no to the love, but right now it's my time. Okay, it's what I want to do. I see that you are planning a lot for 2021, not just 2021. You're planning your goals for next 5 to 10 years. Okay, and you have set in your mind, like, in next 1 year, what is it that you want to achieve? In next 2 years, what you want to do? In next 3 years, what kind of assets you want to have? Like, you want to buy a home, a sea view home, or you want to buy a home at a prime property. You want to buy a luxurious car. You have set your mind on certain things. You are also targeting name and fame. That's what I see, Virgo. It's a totally money reading. Okay, it's a totally money reading. And even if I'm telling you whatever is happening, you are on the right path, and this is happening because you are meant to achieve tremendous amount of financial abundance in future. Okay, so even if love life happens now, that is going to lead to financial abundance. Okay, so what is happening with Virgo? What is happening with Virgo? What is happening with Virgo? Justice. Oh my god, something major is happening for you people, Virgo. Okay, out of 5 cards, we have 4 major arcana cards. Can you believe that? Can you just believe that? We have 4 major arcana cards. We have Hierophant, we have Magician, we have Wheel of Fortune, we have Justice. You may also be dealing with a Libra. Certain secrets are coming out with respect to someone. Okay, and you are holding your sword, trying to, like, trying to warn someone, don't mess around with me. Okay, you're trying to indicate someone directly or indirectly, like, boss, if you try and do something with me, if you try to mess around with me, just check out my sword. Okay, just be aware that I have a sword, and I will not think twice to take any action with that sword. Okay, and also I see that if you are fighting some sort of litigation that is coming, that it's concluding in your favor. Okay, uh, yes, with that Hierophant card at the start and with that Justice card in the middle, I'm very sure that it's turning in your favor. Okay, Spirit is sending you someone. Spirit is sending someone in your life right now. Okay, Spirit is sending someone in your life, and I see that that is a test. Probably spirits want to send someone in your life who is not up to mark, or who is not at your level, or who is not a spiritually awakened person. Okay, but this is what they are doing to test you, so that that will be a final test, probably, so that they can push you towards your much deserved abundance. That's what I'm hearing. Spirit is going to unveil someone, and they are like, okay, fine, this is one final test, Virgo, just one final test, and I think so you will be very much successful. I don't think so you're going to entertain any Tom, Dick and Harry. Okay, you are just going to be like, fine, who are you? Okay, and the moment you see that person, you're not going to get very good energy vibes. The vibes that you're going to get from that person, no, it will start affecting your chakras immediately. It will start affecting your root chakra immediately. Okay, and you'll have that gut feeling inside, like, no, this is not meant for me, and you will not entertain that person. Whoa, King of Cups. And then finally, the true person, the person meant for you, will enter your life. Okay, the person who is meant for you will enter your life. This person may be a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Okay, they may have earth and air in their chart. Okay, a combination of water, air and earth. Water, air and earth. Okay, so this person may be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. This person may be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So you may be dealing with another for a fellow earth sign as well. This person stays away from you. Okay, this new person who is entering in your life, this person stays quite far from you, and I think so you're going to get introduced online. Okay, or I think so you're going to get introduced when you're traveling. Mostly I see that the introduction will be done online, or there may be a case where you are required to take help from this person. If you're in a school, so this person may be someone senior, maybe a professor, a teacher in that school. Okay, if you are working someone, this person may be your boss or someone in a senior hierarchy than yours. If you are into a business, this person may be your client. Okay, so you'll meet them when you go and when you're talking to them with respect to work. Okay, or when you're traveling. That's what I see. This person will be smitten by you. Okay, this person will be smitten by you. Totally smitten by you. What more for Virgo? What more for Virgo? What more do we have for Virgo? What more do we have for Virgo? What more do we have for Virgo? 7 of Wands. Yeah, there will be some people who will try to stop you. They will understand that you're on the verge of financial abundance, you're on the verge of your growth, and they won't be happy with that. Okay, they will try to stop you, they will try to trigger you. Ignore them. Okay, ignore them. It will be possible to ignore them. It won't be like, you will have to fight and argue with them to stop them. It will be possible to ignore them. Just wherever possible, ignore them. Don't try to fight with them. Don't try to waste your energy on them, because they know that if they trigger you, if they disturb your mood, your day won't be good. Okay, your day won't be productive enough. So learn to ignore them. Okay, what more for Virgo? We have Strength card. Okay, this popped up the second time when I was shuffling. Spirits are helping you to reach a level where, you know, you're going to reach a position where no one will dare to, no one will dare to cross you. You're going to reach a level which is going to be extremely powerful. You're going to deal with powerful people. Let me tell you that. Okay, I'm saying seriously, Virgo, I am seeing a lot of financial abundance, a lot of growth in this reading. Okay, a lot of growth in this reading. Yes, love is there, no doubt about it, but it's more more occupied with financial abundance, and love is there, and it's going to be a true love. Okay, don't worry about love is happening. Okay, but be happy for the fact that you're having so much of abundance for yourself. You're achieving good for yourself. Be happy with that. Pat your back. Okay, I told you the moment I saw that Hierophant card. Okay, you're working very hard, and whatever you're going to achieve, that will be solely because of your hard work, your consistency, your persistent efforts. So you should be patting your back for whatever you're doing, and because of that you're reaching such an amazing level. Okay, it will be, no one will be able to challenge you for whatever you're doing. Okay, the kind of skills you are acquiring, the kind of knowledge you're going to acquire, the kind of level you're going to reach, no one will dare to challenge you. Let me tell you that. Okay, if you're planning on something, just start working on that. I'm telling you, no one will be able to. Don't get influenced. Don't at all get influenced by anyone else. If you're planning for something, start working towards it, because that is meant to give you a lot of financial abundance. Let me tell you that. Okay, if you're procrastinating your studies, don't do that. This is the right time to start studying. Do not procrastinate anything. You have amazing amount of financial abundance. Okay, and you're going to reach amazing levels of prosperity in your life. Yes, we start with Hierophant and we end with Empress. It's not a joke. Okay, the number of major arcana cards I'm getting in this reading is 1 2 3 4 5 6 major arcana cards. Okay, and only 3 are the minor arcanas. This is not a joke. Let me tell you, this reading is not a joke. This reading is, I don't know what kind of title should I put, because there are so many things in this reading. In this reading that I'm really confused what kind of title should I put. This is where you're reaching. Virgo. You're going to be an empress. Okay, you are going to be an empress. You're going to be an empress, and this is what you're meant to be. This is what you're meant to achieve. Prosperity, financial abundance. Anyone planning for pregnancy, which was not happening since very long time, now is the fertile time. You're going to be extremely fertile. Okay, go ahead and make efforts, plan for that. You will have an amazing healthy child in if you plan a pregnancy. In the next 9 months you'll have an amazing healthy child. Okay, if you are planning for pregnancy, it was not happening, just go ahead and do it. This is the right time for it. Okay, because I see that you're extremely fertile right now. In this period you are highly fertile. Your body is extremely healthy. Okay, just cleanse yourself once. Go to any occult science expert and cleanse your body once, and then initiate efforts for pregnancy. And this is, financial abundance is like pouring on you. Financial abundance is like we just want you. Name, fame, financial abundance, and everything is going to be at your disposal. Okay, like you decide today, I want so much of money, you're gonna get so much of money. That's the level you're reaching, Virgo. That's the level you're reaching. Okay, I hope this resonates. Please hit like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below. Till then, bye.